Yeah, so as you can see, guys, we are done with setting up this beautiful swim center family pool. As you can see how beautiful it is. As you can see, it's so beautiful. Now this is it. Take a look. It even has cup holder, two cup holder. This is one, and this is two. Please come and see the draining part. In case you want to drain out the water after playing it with the water after your swimming session, and you want to drain out the water, you just open this up. As you can see, then the water will gush out. Now it even has it like a seat lounger seat, has a headrest, it has a backrest. See how beautiful it is? So beautiful. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorial tips like this.